What if I told you that right now, someone with zero skills, zero following, and almost no money could literally set up a lazy AI-powered income stream that pays them while they sleep? Sounds like hype, right? Well, I've personally made over $10 million online. And I can tell you this, AI just lowered the barrier to entry more than anything I've ever seen before. And today, I'm going to break down the 4 laziest AI business models that beginners are using right now to cash in. At the end, I'll reveal which one I think is the smartest move if you're just starting out. The first business model is AI content creation. You've seen it everywhere. AI-generated videos, memes, voices, even mini-movies flooding TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. And here's the crazy part. A lot of these faceless accounts are pulling in 5 figures a month just by posting short, funny, or shocking clips that AI made for them. I know one guy who runs a TikTok page that posts ridiculous AI skits, the type of videos you'd never expect to go viral, and he's making over $10,000 a month. Not from brand deals or courses, but simply by linking products from TikTok Shop under his videos. Every time someone buys a product, he earns a commission. He never even touches the product himself. AI makes the video, people watch, people buy, and he gets paid. Now, is it sustainable? Honestly, not really. Because anyone in the world can copy the exact same strategy, competition is insane. One viral video might earn you hundreds or thousands, but the next week the algorithm could bury you. So I'd call this more of a side hustle than a real business. It's super easy to start, it doesn't cost much beyond the tools, but the long-term potential is low. The second model is building AI software. This is the dream business for a lot of people. Everyone wants to build the next ChatGPT, the next Midjourney, the next app that makes them a billionaire. And yes, the potential is absolutely massive. I built a software company myself, and at the peak, it was doing over $100,000 profit per month. All thanks to recurring revenue. Once customers start paying, they keep paying month after month, and the income feels almost automatic. But here's the reality. Building software is expensive. Even a basic AI tool will cost you $30,000 or more just to launch. Then you need a development team, marketing, and a lot of patience. It's also by far the hardest model on this list. You need an idea that solves a real problem. You need to build it, then you need to get people to use it. That's a huge challenge. So, why do I still call it lazy? Because once it's set up and running, the money can feel completely hands-off. But if you're broke or brand new, this isn't the model to start with. Think of it as a long-term goal. The difficulty is very high, the cost is very high, but the potential is higher than anything else on this list. The third business model is my personal favorite, AI commerce. In other words, e-commerce powered by AI. This is the one I recommend to almost all beginners because it's proven, it's scalable, and AI just made it 10 times easier. E-commerce has been around for decades, and it's the exact business that helped me pay off $30,000 in debt and hit my first $1 million years ago. Back then, everything was harder. Finding products, building stores, running ads. It took time and skill. Today, AI does most of the heavy lifting. Tools can find trending products for you, build your online store, create ad copy, edit product photos, and even handle customer support. Let me give you an example. I worked with a 17-year-old named Daniel. He had just $38 to his name. Using AI to set up his store, he went from $0 to $10,000 in his first month. Within 3 weeks, his store was making nearly $1,000 a day. That's life-changing money, and he didn't need a huge budget, special skills, or years of trial and error. That's why I love this model. It's not completely passive. You still have to test products, run ads, and keep things optimized. But once you find a winner, the sales come in every single day, whether you're working or not. I've had days where I'm at the gym, at dinner, or even sleeping, and I wake up to new sales. That's as close to lazy as it gets. The cost is medium, since you'll need to spend on ads, but it's nowhere near the cost of building software. and the potential is massive. My last store made over $2 million in revenue before I sold it for a 7-figure exit back in 2023. And that was before AI made everything easier. I honestly believe there's never been a better time to start than right now. The fourth model is starting an AI agency. This is where you sell AI automation services to businesses. For example, building AI chatbots for customer service, setting up AI sales reps, automating emails, or helping companies cut costs with AI tools. Businesses are willing to pay big money for this, especially in industries like real estate, healthcare, and e-commerce. The best part is the startup cost is basically zero. All you need are the AI tools and a phone to pitch clients. Land 2 or 3 clients at $1,500 a month each, and you're already at a full-time income. But here's the catch. This model is not very lazy. You're basically running a service business. You'll need to keep clients happy, manage results, and be on call when they need you. Scaling past $10,000 or $20,000 a month means hiring a team and building systems, which is tough. It's a great option if you're broke and want fast cash, but long-term it's not as hands-off as e-commerce or software. So, which one is the winner? For beginners, I think it's clear. AI commerce is the smartest choice. It's the perfect balance. You don't need $30,000 like software. It's way more scalable than freelancing or running an agency. And unlike TikTok AI content, it can turn into a real business that grows over time. If you're starting with little money, little skill, but you want a real chance at building something that pays you daily, AI commerce is the winner. It's not just the laziest, it's also the most practical. Your 300% AI profit program is waiting. Spots are filling fast. Click the link below this video now and start making profits before you miss out.